Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to MapleLeaf Customs in Switzerland. I'm Andrew, and on the bench today is a special package that comes from the UK, from friend of the channel, Aaron, who writes, I've got a few cars here that I either had as a kid, and some I've got for pence. And later on, he says, I come from a town called Yaxley, about 80 miles from London. I hope these vehicles help you, whether it be spares or something to be given to your Goodwill shop. Keep up the good work, Aaron. And he starts me off with a Lotus Esprit S1, which is always a fine way to kick things off. This is a Siku model made in Germany, and it's a German BMW 633 CSI. Nice sedan. Ooh. A Pagani Zonda C12. Now, I love my exotics, and the first Four Horsemen build of January, last day of the month, is on the theme of exotics. There's a prime candidate for that build. This is a little larger scale Corgi Seagrave Pumper. It's in good condition, and I think it's complete. And here's a majorette, French-made, Jaguar F-Type. Another exotic. This one's got opening doors. Doesn't seem to have a scratch on it, so that's a perfect model. This is a Royal Mail delivery van. It's unbranded, so it probably was a promotional car, and thanks to the Royal Mail, I got this package at least halfway from the UK to Switzerland. I see this Freyhall hopper, and I instantly think of Jim Silva's annual Winter in the Wasteland build. This would be an excellent zombie containment unit, and that's what it might end up being. Check out Jim's channel. That build comes up in mid-January. Oh, a 918 Spider. Never met a Porsche I didn't like. And look at that's 1, 2, 3, 4 exotics already out of this box. Aaron, you're really hitting the bullseye here. This is a Motortomica brand, a Pajero. I don't know that model. Must be a Japanese vehicle. You can correct me on that if I'm wrong. It's happened before. This is a little Hot Wheels 5000 Fast. Open motor in the back. That's a pretty cool little car. This is the casting that started the whole dialogue between Aaron and myself. It's a Matchbox Speed Kings Lamborghini Miura. Now that's been around the block a few times, as you can see, but it's a metal base. It's going to make an excellent restoration project. Except I'll take the trailer hitch off the back. That might be at the top of the order for 2024. It's a Hot Wheels backslider, a transport vehicle. And there's two of them. A pair of backsliders. That's what my mother used to call my brother and I. Here's a Low Rider 64 Riviera by Hot Wheels. Cool, I'm getting some new Samed wheels in soon, and they've just released their Low Rider lineup. And another Porsche from Corgi, it's a 935. This is an outstanding box of castings. Aaron, thank you so much. I know some of these come from your childhood, and those must have been hard to give up. But I will fulfill your wish and get these back into circulation. I thank everyone for watching today. Come on back soon and often. It's coffee time.